why should you get a hearing test? Firstly, a hearing test is going to tell you whether you have a hearing loss or not. Next, by getting a hearing test with a hearing health professional, it's going to tell you what your baseline is, so the next time you get another hearing test, you've got something to compare those results to. If you're starting to think about hearing aids, a hearing test is going to tell you whether you'd actually benefit from those or not. And lastly, a hearing test is a good way of picking up any potential medical concerns that are happening with your hearing health and are going to help to inform your decisions as to whether you should be talking to your doctor about your hearing.